got a lot of friends that have used other builders, and not necessarily in Oklahoma, and you hear plenty of horror stories, and so that was our concern. Folks that want to raise the prices before you go to close and can't stay on schedule, and we obviously didn't have any of those problems with Tabor.
So we were buying remote. We didn't live in the state, and we knew we needed a home in Oklahoma. He had just accepted an awesome job opportunity out here, and then we found a Tabor community. It seemed like it was going to be a perfect fit for our family, and we went forward and signed the paperwork, and it was a little bit nerve-wracking because we were very far away and going to build a house from a completely different state, but it ended up being a great experience.
Our representative at Tabor made sure that we were aware of all of our options and really talked us through it. I think my favorite part of the new home is having my own office. She has her own office now as well. We both moved to work from home. The dog's running by you before when you're trying to put a desk in the living room or the dining room. We had a closet-sized master bathroom. You literally couldn't have both of us in there at the same time. Now we've got a big, beautiful bathroom, big, beautiful master closet. The other night it got a little bit cool. We were able to have our first fire out there. We made s'mores and had the neighbors over that we just met. Our son loves to go out there. He has to watch TV outside now instead of inside. And so it's a place that we're just constantly kind of drawn to. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Tabor Homes for friends and family.